Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. Ukelly Khumalo, there's a story that's been going around now for a month about her and her dad, and we actually learning other things. Hey, well, could this be true even? Or is it because Ukelly is going through this thing, Yasenzo and people are just like, we want answers. What is the problem? Also, in the story with her dad, we just like, it could be true, eh? Because Ukelly Khumalo is a story so with him. She was about 13, right? She tried to unalive the dad. I'm just like, okay, guys. Kuningi. And then Masukanganisa with Kininda stories because Kininda has a lot of visions, around Kelly Khumalo. A lot. Okuthwa mastermind, and she tried to unalive Senzo Meyiwa. She was trying as back as 2013. She was telling her sister in Gemini Long in phone, this is why I made a video about 2 weeks ago where I said, could it be premeditated? Analyzing a sense of money it could have been premeditated. Chances are, like, you never know for sure sometimes, because people angita abafuna khulu. And then there was a story so she could have shot him, and you could actually believe there's a story less the way people are now behaving around Senzo Meyiwa's case. They don't want to tell us what happened to him. After a week, Senzo Meyiwa eshonile, they went on a trip. Rumors where they went to Mauritius. Behamba no mawake and Zandile Khumalo. Chico paid for them. So we understand that there's a lot of stories. Ufilo ukuthi nje no man. No, you're taking it. You're just like, no, it is true. So she tried to analyze her dad. The sister is the one that's starting to speak. The sister actually started speaking about 3 weeks ago. Now she's writing to say, no, the reason why my dad cut her off is because wife umbulala babethu lo muntu lo akaqala wazama umbulala ngamaphilisi and wamgrindela amabhodlela wamfakela eklini. That was it. Our dad ended up in hospital. That was, my family was just like, we done. Bye, Sissy. You can't even come to our house in Davidson. Because that's what she says in the video. How people are going to the church. It amazes her. It's just like but now the stories, but I'm just like a 13, guys. You were that vindictive? Wow. No, okay, they actually isn't using the they're actually very scary. Because uhlanganisa behavior yakhe now. How over the years she couldn't stand up for Usenzo Meyiwa. Baba umntanakhe, you just like, okay, guys. Someone that you invited in your house, and then they died inside your house. Gin, umakhumalo. But you cannot stand for them and be like, I know, guys, what actually unalived him. He passed away inside my house. Because in a way, I even feel good. Since me was already gone, guys, by the time he was taken to hospital, because Babi Mkhalisi Kelly called Ujiko. For what, guys? This is just too sad and wrong, in so many ways. Like, we could see it now in court. The lies are just too much. They just never stop. You're like, okay, stop it with the lies. Can we move on? Can these guys be acquitted? Like, oh, guys, okay. But at the time when she was busy, the last one where she crashed, actually, amabhodlela to unalive her dad. The sister, their older sister, stepsister, obviously, ulindiwe. So hey, ukuthi awunanga umuntu efuna ukubulala ubabethu. Kwenzakalani? Watshela abantu ukuthi nangu lo sisilo. And apparently, like I said, it wasn't the first time. The first one angithi wayenza wamfakela amaphilisi. Bathola like 3 days lo baba esibhedlela. I'm just like, guys, it's not right. Because I'm just like, if this could be true, because it's now doing rounds on social media. This one, they just like, ayibona umama lo uKelly Khumalo akaqala. These are things, but uyayizwa indlela akhuluma ngobaba wakhe ngayo ukuthi akamfuni. She's not even trying to sugarcoat it. She's just like, yay, low deadbeat father, engimfuni. Oh, okay, look, commando guys. I don't know how they do it. I mean, for me, the concentration on seeing the Mayuas get justice. That's all. People must just start talking. Who were in the house. That's it. I mean, for me, you know, guys. I mean, I've been doing this case now. This is my 4th year, and I've been saying the same thing every day. Abantu babesendlini fanele baboshwe, like I even said ukuthi Ukheli is a snob. She will talk in jail. You can't be in jail 3 days. On the 2nd day, she'll be like, I'm done with this shenanigans. Actually, my thing is that the Mayuas, in fact, must open a case against Ukheli, Umawake, no, Zandi. It's as simple as that, guys. But we'll buy about 3. Still about 3 actually. Goba mawusuhlele jail, like I said, ukuthi Ukheli mayese jail uzokhuluma all 3 of them. They will start talking ukuthi no, this is what actually happened. Ukuyibona leyo nto le bazokhathala. Akekho umuntu ofuna uhlala jail nje actually for 2 days. It's just like, oh my gosh, I'm appalled. Why am I here? Uzobe khuluma kanjalo Ukheli. Like I'm saying ukuthi snob or uzenza so.
Actually, I see God and my ancestors are dealing with a lot of people that have had a hand in trying to destroy me. Great, fine. However, Nkosi namakhosi wakithi nimiyekeleni lo yababa ongizalayo. If sizodila ngama deadbeats, asiqale ngobaba ozala mina. Ngiyanibona niyabafikisa bonke, kodwa nimiyekeleni lo ozala mina. Nimiyekeleni uFanyana Titus Makhathini ozalwe le eDavidton, onomuzi eFosloras eManikwane. Ubhuti wakhe umfundisi the late Nicholas Makhathini, naye unebandla manje le 14 eFosloras. Nina abazalwane niyahlala nilalela umfundisi oyi-deadbeat. Nimlalela kanjani umfundisi oyi-deadbeat? Uneyingane kodwa akanendaba nazo, azange wazondla not even ilanga elilodwa. But every day you guys wake up and go and listen to that guy's sermon. How? Namhlanje, I have a bone to pick with my ancestors in God. Or if you are going to deal with all the deadbeats of my children and everyone else, also deal with my father, the guy who donated his sperm for me to be born. Dilan ngai nai.